Hello, good evening. A speech about the present situation of the world. Now, the full world is going through a great problem, facing problem, or passing through a great problem due to corona. Peace and happiness is cut off. People can't smile and laugh. Everybody is keeping far away. So let us see the history of the world. See, now down, history of epidemics in the world. In the year 1720, plague, 1720, plague. Lakhs and lakhs of people died due to plague in the history of the world. Then 1820, dreaded cholera. Lakhs of people died due to cholera in the world. Then 1920, Spanish flu. It's also killed a lot of people. Then 2020, corona, now we are facing. So nothing to worry. This is not arranged by anyone, it is from the nature's order. Apart from that, Kalava or TB, tuberculosis, leprosy, typhoid, malaria, smallpox, diphtheria, blood cancer, AIDS, dysentery, polio, mad rabies, brain tumor, then heart disease, heart attack, liver trouble, kidney trouble, all these are crores of people died from this world. Apart from that, people drink alcohol and died due to kidney problem or liver problem. That is different. So, in the history of the world, so many problems we are facing. Now we want this more willpower to face this. Now corona, it will take time to find a suitable vaccine for this. Many people are thinking highly, all are in pensive mode. What is going to happen? Some people say it may be the end of the human beings. Nothing of that kind. It is the history of the world. Our forefathers or ancestors suffered, faced all these problems and obstacles. In those days, there was no suitable medicine for them. Now we are living in a modern world full of facilities, for brainy scientists and highly qualified doctors and medicine now. So it may take time to find a vaccine for this corona medicine. But one thing, the plus point is that corona spread everywhere in the world. 192 countries in the world, according to the report. It is spread everywhere in the world. But in those days, Spanish flu or plague, only a particular place or area only. It is not spread everywhere in the world, same time. It is same time spreading by leaps and bounds, past everywhere. That's the problem. Plague was only a particular place, Spanish was a particular place. TB was also spread and they invented certain medicine. Leprosy also spread at a particular place, not spread throughout the world, but very slowly spread and ultimately invented suitable medicine. Now, leprosy is a horrible disease, cancers are suitable medicine, AIDS. According to WHO, around 18 crore people affected by AIDS. There is no suitable medicine for AIDS, but they can live, can't die very fast. They may survive about, after affecting AIDS, they may survive about 7 to 8 years. They are healthy person, but not instant death. But certain deaths were in the world, only a few days, Spanish flu, then smallpox, lakhs and people died. If any person affected by smallpox, all members leave from the home and the patient will put a particular place, any other person look after this person by drinking alcohol. There's no medicine. After a few days, that person come and report that person died. Only everywhere like that. No one is ready to treat that patient at the home. Similarly, like that. So, in this critical juncture, what we have to do, we can't talk each other, have this same distance. At least we can send letters, email, and talk mobile phone. Hello, my dear brother and sister, how are you? So, some are in quarantine. We can talk with them mobile phone, a kind and sweet words. They are thinking highly about, they are afraid of death. So many, even multi-million people affected this corona. So it is not any rich or poor, affect in all walks of life. So now this is time to love one another. Our small words is enough through mobile phone. We can't talk now. That is keep safe distance. Near and real are far away. They are afraid to come and talk. They come and visit our home. So in this critical junction only, we can pray to God. We can console them. Those who are suffering this that disease, we can console them through mobile phone or some messages through email or something like that. Nothing we can do. One day, all of a sudden, some brainy man or doctor or scientist definitely invent a wonderful or suitable vaccination for this fearful disease. Until then, let us observe and keep our faith in God and make good health. Increase your immunity power. If you are immunity power, there is no chance to take good food, exercise, and fresh air. Try to avoid unnecessary visits to other places, especially senior citizens and children below 10 years should not go out. So only through communication it is coming. So it is within you, within me, how to control. Government can only use such suggestion and arrangements. Good suggestion. Keep mask, keep safe distance all. But your health is in your hand. My health is in my hand. So in this particular time, we want kind words from you, from me, a person suffering this dreadful disease. So at one time, when the leprosy patient approached any hotel for a food, they are refused to give food. They see that totally neglected and hated by the community. I have seen leprosy patients, a group of people Wednesday and Saturday visit different hotels, friends. They say no, because they are thinking taking leprosy patient inside the hotel affect the other customers. So just think about that is. Not only that, a person affected by leprosy in those days, another members of the family, or boy, girl or boy, nobody has come forward to marry from that family because leprosy, hating. Why do you hate? Tomorrow it may be for you, it may be for me. Now don't laugh at. When ripe leaves come down, the green leaves smiling. हरा पत्ता पक गया पत्ता गिरते हरा पत्ता हंसते नो हरा पत्ता भी गिरते ही when the green leaves think one day I will come down from the tree. So all these diseases are not reserved for a particular person or a particular community. Everyone can affect this, but don't curse, don't hate anybody. You can only do small, kind and sweet words. That's to console them. I shall pray for you. God is great. This type of words we can send through messages through mobile phone. Don't keep far away, but physically we are far away, but mentally you should ensure them. Don't worry, I am with you. Brother, sister, don't worry. God is with you. Above all, we are with you. I am with you. This is only kind words. And tell them to read good, useful books. See something, write something, poetry or something like that. Be busy. Don't go on thinking and thinking. It will get tension. One day there will be a surprise for all of you. Every cloud has a surviving. Yes. Now we are passing through a dark period, pitch dark. One day we can see a light and heat that will wipe out from the world. That would be a happiest day for the mankind. Let us wait and see, watch and see. Okay? God bless you. Have a nice evening. Okay?